Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate oats with milk, the only way. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick and delicious breakfast or snack. We'll start by gathering just a few key ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of your favorite milk, and 2 tablespoons of rich cocoa powder. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of sugar and a tiny pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Now let's get cooking. Pour your 1/2 cup of rolled oats into a small saucepan. Add 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and that tiny pinch of salt. Give everything a good whisk to combine it all before turning on the heat. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring often, for about 5 to 7 minutes until it thickens to your desired consistency. As your chocolate oats cook, you'll notice them begin to thicken beautifully. The rolled oats will absorb the milk, creating a rich and creamy texture. Keep stirring consistently to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Aim for a smooth, porridge-like consistency that's not too runny and not too stiff. If it gets too thick, just add a splash more milk. If it's a bit thin, cook for another minute or two. Once your chocolate oats have reached that perfect, creamy consistency, remove the saucepan from the heat. Carefully spoon the warm, delicious mixture into your favorite bowl. Now comes the fun part, adding your personal touch. You can enjoy them plain, or add a sprinkle of chocolate chips, some fresh berries, or a handful of chopped nuts. This simple, satisfying breakfast is ready to be savored in just minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.